this video, I'm going to make hot chocolate with milk. I'm tempted to say from scratch, but what is hot chocolate from? You know, you always hear about, oh, we make our hot chocolate from scratch. What exactly? What they mean is this. What do you think they do? They grow their own cocoa beans? No. They get some chocolate and melt it. That's from scratch? Not my opinion. Anyway, this is what you get. If you're lucky, you get. This is probably the best hot chocolate at the Starbucks that you can buy. In my case, you know, in my opinion, the double chocolate is the best. All right, you know, people think making hot chocolate is a big deal and it takes forever, but it takes about as long to make hot chocolate as it does to make tea. Maybe even actually shorter, less time. It only takes about 5 minutes at the most. Timer. All right, now, what are the instructions here? Have some chocolate with your chocolate. Oh yeah, have some chocolate with your chocolate. We mix delicious cocoa. Yeah, they've got like these little pieces of chocolate in the chocolate. You don't see it until you get down to the bottom. Until you finish it. Okay, use the directions. Mix 1 cup, 8 ounces with hot milk. See, what they want you to do is they want you to heat the milk, and then 110 calories in case you're wondering. There's all the info. All right. Anyway, so here's the cup I'm going to put it in. It's a pretty big cup, actually. You know, the chocolate will just come up halfway. There's the milk. Expiration date 4/5/22. And today is I don't know what's today. 23rd. Let me look at the calendar here. No, it's the 24th. Yesterday was the 23rd. Today's the 24th. Okay. All right. I got it. Yeah, 24th. Okay. Now. So we put in the. Now. It's got this saucepan. Look. Can you see? You don't need a measuring cup. You know, the measuring cup is such a pain. You have to. I mean, it's not a pain measuring, but it's a pain cleaning it. You know, cleaning it. All right, so there, I probably put in a little more than I should. Ah. All right. Back in the refrigerator. Now. The way I do it is I put the chocolate in here, and then I heat it all up together. Yeah, I've never tried making it the way they tell you. I've never done that. Maybe I should. But I mean, if you want hot chocolate, it just won't be as hot if you stir, you know, you put the hot milk in here and then you put the hot chocolate in and you stir it up. It just doesn't seem like the right way to do it. It won't dissolve as well as when you heat. Okay, now I'm going to heat it. Okay, this is going to going to put it up the heat to about medium. All right. Now now this is the key. You have to keep stirring. You have to keep stirring. That's the key. So what? Oh, I'll put the timer on. Boy, we spent 5 minutes just messing around. All right, it's out. Okay, so here we go. Is it moving? 16 seconds. Yeah, I mean, you'll be surprised how little time it takes. But if you don't keep stirring, you'll scald the milk. Of course, all I'm doing is one-handed and everything. That's a little different. I wasn't holding the camera. Yeah, I've got a tripod. How do I start using it, I guess? Keep the pot on the burner. Now, you know where I used to use like a pot that was, that was like taller than this. You know, like I don't know, maybe like 2 inches or 3 inches taller. Because with this, you have to be careful not to stir it too hard, or the milk will, you know, will kind of like, you know, come out, you know, spill out, you know, just. So I get to be careful when I'm stirring. I can't stir as hard as I used to. So the point is here, I'm going to show you. You know, how long does it take to steep a cup of tea? 5 minutes or less. And it's going to, see, you don't really need a timer, as you'll see. You'll start seeing steam come up. So, how's it dissolving here? Now you want to, alright, so it's been 2 minutes. You know, if you wanted to cook it faster, you could put it at a higher heat, but then you have to be a little more careful that you don't scald the milk. Of course, you can always put whipped cream on it. Yeah, so this is, you know, 110 calories. The mix is 110 calories, and the milk is about 150 calories. So it's a fairly high caloric beverage. Of course, you do have your milk. You do have the milk. That's good for you. And dark, they say dark chocolate. Well, it doesn't really say dark chocolate. This is double chocolate. It says decadent bits of real dark chocolate. Yeah, like when you drink it, when you get to the bottom, there's pieces of dark chocolate. It's kind of strange, in my opinion. I'm trying to darken the image. No, I made it worse. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, well. It's probably a little too dark, right? Oh, well. So I'm stirring along. Hey, when it starts getting ready to drink. Now I preheated that who's milk, let's see. Now, okay, you can see some steam coming up. Or can you? Yeah, you can see. Can you see the steam? It's hard to see. I don't really see it, to be honest with you. I know. Oh, there it is. There's some steam. Okay, yeah, I definitely see steam coming up. And what's the clock say? 5 minutes. So I've been doing this for 5 minutes. As I said before, if you wanted to, you can always heat it. Yeah, higher heat, it wouldn't take as long. It's. Can you see the steam? I can't. No, I can't. Through the camera, I can't see it, but it's there. And this milk is hot. Of course, like I say, you don't want to scald the milk, so you keep stirring. Just, are you lactose intolerant? Because if you are, this is not for you. Well, you'll feel it. I mean, you can drink it. It's not going to kill you, but you might want to take a long walk after you finish drinking it. Yes. Can you see the steam? I can't see the steam. But I can see it. I think you can see the steam. I don't know. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. Hot, baby. Okay. Pour it in here. You see that? I wouldn't be there if I was, I think, concentrating on stirring. And actually, I probably should have used something besides what I was using. I was using. Probably should have used this. So, it's looks like a paintbrush, but it's silicone. You won't scratch the pot or anything. I should have used this. Oh, and now it's ready to drink. I mean, it's going to be hot. Yeah, it's hot. So that's your hot chocolate. How long did it take? 8 minutes. And, if I was concentrating on just making the chocolate, it would have been less time than that. Well, that is how you make hot chocolate. It's supposed to be kind of cold this weekend. Turn off the light. I wonder if that might be better to make the video without the light on. Okay, now I'm going to drink the hot chocolate. That's my boot. Very good. It's kind of on the strong. It's kind of on the strong side. It's a sipping chocolate. All right. Until next time.